Alexander and Victoria making a fort in a pile.
What?
Wave.
Hello. Where was I going? Let me see it. Oh, okay.
Cleaning out. Yep, driveway's clear.
You have to come tour our place. Well, this is going to be our entrance. Right there. It's not very big yet, but it will be. And then that will connect this. I could show you it if you want to see down there, Dad. Bring it to me. In the corner. Come on, that one's good. Well, actually, it's not walking home. Oh, Dad, are you?
There we go. I'm sinking.
And that's our hole.
I guess.
Pretty nice, isn't it? Our entrance tunnel is going to be really long, isn't it? It concerns me. What if it collapses and we all die? But, oh well. Dad, now slide down.